researchers are exploring the use of nanomaterials in the manufacturing of heart scanner components, which could lead to smaller, more durable, and more efficient devices. In addition to software development and quality control procedures, the manufacturing technology of heart scanners also involves the use of specialized testing equipment. These machines are designed to simulate the conditions of the human body and are used to test the performance of the heart scanner components. One of the most important testing machines used in heart scanner manufacturing is the tissue mimicking phantom. This machine is used to test the transducer's ability to produce accurate and reliable images of the heart. The phantom is designed to mimic the properties of human tissue, including its acoustic and elastic properties. The transducer is then tested on the phantom to ensure that it produces images that are accurate and consistent with those produced by a real human heart. Another important testing machine used in heart scanner manufacturing is the environmental chamber. This machine is used to test the device's performance under various environmental conditions, such as extreme temperatures and humidity levels. The device is subjected to these conditions for extended periods to ensure that it can withstand them without affecting its performance or reliability. The manufacturing technology of heart scanners also involves the use of advanced imaging techniques. These techniques are used to visualize the internal components of the device and ensure that they are functioning correctly. For example, X-ray imaging is used to examine the circuit board and ensure that there are no defects or problems. Finally, the manufacturing technology of heart scanners also involves the use of advanced manufacturing techniques such as 3D printing. 3D printing allows manufacturers to create complex components with intricate shapes and geometries that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing techniques. This technology has the potential to revolutionize heart scanner manufacturing by allowing manufacturers to create devices that are more efficient, accurate, and reliable. Another important aspect of the manufacturing technology of heart scanners is the training and education of the professionals who use and maintain the devices. Healthcare professionals, such as cardiologists and sonographers, must receive specialized training to effectively use and interpret the images produced by heart scanners. Manufacturers of heart scanners play a critical role in providing this training and education. They offer training programs and workshops for healthcare professionals and provide technical support to ensure that the devices are used correctly and effectively. They also provide maintenance and repair services to ensure that the devices are functioning correctly and to minimize downtime. In addition to training and education, manufacturers of heart scanners also invest in research and development to improve the devices and advance the field. They collaborate with universities and research institutions to explore new technologies and techniques for diagnosing and examining the heart. One area of research that is particularly promising in the field of heart scanner manufacturing is artificial intelligence, AI. AI has the potential to revolutionize heart scanner technology by improving image quality, reducing scan times, and improving accuracy in diagnosis. Manufacturers are exploring the use of AI algorithms to analyze heart scans and identify abnormalities with greater accuracy and speed. Finally, the manufacturing technology of heart scanners also involves the consideration of regulatory and safety standards. Heart scanners must meet strict regulatory requirements and safety standards to ensure that they are safe and effective for use in healthcare settings. Manufacturers must conduct rigorous testing and obtain certifications to ensure that their devices meet these standards and regulations.